Mickey's discovered how to chew really well. He's chewing up his perch. And if you don't see it, it's pretty good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see. That little beaker does a good job, huh? Oh, look at you doing. You're going to chew the leg off your perch and you're not going to have anything to sit on. Yeah. Stinker. Do you want to be able to stand on there anymore? If you do, you better stop chewing that. Huh? Oh, you really doing a number on that? My goodness, got a pile of sawdust. Look at that. Mickey! Oh my word! What did you do? Oh, you gonna have some over there too? Not only did he do all of that. Oh, you're gonna do some more up. Let's did some over there. And did some up there. What is that you're doing? Huh? Well, I'll be darned. You just enjoy that, don't you? Some over here. Oh, that's a new spot? Huh? Chewed some over here. A little bit there. One over there. That's a nice pile. This is 2 days. We figure we leave it. What are you doing? Huh? Come here. What? Lovey? You're full of sawdust, huh? Did you chew that all apart? Huh? What? I miss you too. Where was I? Come here. Whoa! Wow! Wow! You think you're funny? Huh? You threw the toys away. What? Oh, that one too? Sorry, num-num. Mwah. That's a kiss for you, huh? Mwah. Kiss me? What? What? You want the toys? Okay, here's the toys you threw away. There they are. There you go. Oh no, you're going to do it again? What do you want? Yeah. There's what? But that's not Chris. What are you doing? Huh? I just cleaned it?